Why does your scanner show the P0549 engine code? What does it mean? P0549 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, high bank 2 sensor 1. The P0549 engine code indicates the EGT sensor circuit high issue for bank 2 sensor 1. This means the vehicle's PCM is receiving an abnormally high voltage signal from the sensor, suggesting the exhaust temperature is exceeding safe limits, or there is a short in the circuit. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty EGT sensor, damaged wiring, aftermarket exhaust modifications, corroded or loose connectors, exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, Volkswagen, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.